Hey guys, today we came with our newest another edition. This is 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a base model. It's not a it's not a SI or TDSI engine, TDI engine on it. It's a base model. It's a black on black base model. Comes with the regular cotton seat, regular 2.0 engine. Let's check the engine first. Here is the engine. It's have only 51,000 mileage on it. Every washer fluid, it's like almost like a brand new. Engine sounds really quiet. Can you come a little bit? Yeah, you see the engine is very calm and quiet. There is no jerking, nothing. Only 51,000 mileage on it. Now this is completely black on black car. So let's talk about the round. What are the things? First of all, in the bonnet there is no mentionable dent or anything. Only thing up here, it's like a slightly dent. You see, then the grille portion, side mudguard, there is nothing. On the door front passenger, there is nothing, only the latch knob is missing here. We're gonna sell as it is. Then the passenger door, nothing, no dent. Rear mudguard, no dent. Let's talk about the back. The back latch, no dent. In bumper, there are slightly, maybe somebody try to put the things up, take it off on the time. There might be a couple of scratches. That's it. Then headlight, everything works. This side, nothing. This portion, in the rear door, there is no dent. In the passenger side, in the front, there are slightly one or two dents. You will see there are two dents. It is what it is, barely mentionable. Side guard, there is no dent. In the front, headlight looks good. Everything is working. High beam, low beam, everything works. Now let's talk about inside. This one have only 151,446,000 mileage on it. You see, it's a clean car, no check engine light, nothing. The entertainment system up here, it's not the basic one, they change it up. Okay, this entertainment system also have a backup camera. We know that Jetta doesn't have any backup cameras. You will see, we put it in park, the backup camera is here. Put it in reverse. And this entertainment system also, it's upgradable. You see, you can put the CDs and everything up here. AC and heating system work perfectly fine. This entertainment system also comes with a USB connector. You can connect this one through USB directly through your phone. All the lights up here, it's as it is, it's a basic one. Okay. Then there is a sunglass box, the basic mirror, back looking mirror, locks up here. It's all the things are just like basic of the Jettas, not a one touch or anything. I told you that this is a base model, so this one comes with all those rubber bits. It's not a nickel bits. Okay, let's talk about the rear portion. Rear portion, it's like a rear seat. It's I already mentioned that it's a cotton. Okay, one thing is up here, it's mentionable. It's this one. you can actually lock and unlock it from the behind as well. Up here, let's talk about the back. In the back, it's a decent sized trunk. Okay, and this one also came with a high powerful audio output. It directly comes from the front. You can put a additional subwoofer up here, put some more bass or something. This one up here, there is a spare tire. This car is pretty decent. Now let's talk about the tires. Okay, come from the front, driver side, passenger side front. It have a decent amount of tread. You can see it's almost like a brand new tires. Driver side front, same here, almost like a brand new tire. Good amount of tread. Okay, rear side, I will say yes, it's almost like a brand new, 80-85% tire life. Let's talk about the rear back, passenger side. Yeah, this is almost like a 85%, I will say. All tires are almost like a 85% life. So now let's drive this car and check that out, how it drives. Okay. We have our special guest driver. It's a Rafsan Mahir, and he's gonna drive this car and he's gonna explain how it drives and everything. Let's talk about it, how it drives.
So starting off, acceleration don't delay. So let's go into the road and talk about it.
So far you see it's almost like a bumpy road. The suspension, it's pretty much stable. I already mentioned it's only 51,000 mileage on it, so nothing mentionable. So we are turning around here. Release the steering so that we can check it, how the suspension it is. Release the steering completely. You see, we are driving almost like a 45 mile per hour right now, and it doesn't goes anywhere. It's absolutely fine. The suspension, it's pretty stable, and come on, it's only 51,000 mileage on it. It's a very good car, and we're gonna put it on very decent, very nice, very affordable price, I will say. So let's check our description box below so that you will see how much we are put it for and how much we are asking for this one. So you gotta check it out first before it's grabbed by any other person. This car is very decent, smooth, AC, everything. It's knob base, okay, as it happens with the regular Cheddar. Yes, he is going through a couple of bumpy roads left, and these roads are completely fine. Even the turning smooth. You see, it goes to the center position very quickly. Nice. Even this headrest, you can adjust this headrest. Let's talk it about. You can adjust this headrest according with your need. Okay, whenever you are trying to reach it, you can press it like this. You can press it on and upset like on the front, and you can move the headrest a little bit forward to move more hand setup. Right now we are driving through school zone, so we have to be careful, and it's a school ending time. Now you can speed up. Stop. So as per I mentioned, this car it's very good. 2014, only 51,000 mileage on it. Nice and decent car, black on black, and the Rapsan also drive this car today, so he have some opinion as well. So you would like to anything share?
So when I drive, the acceleration is very smooth. There's no delay. And the steering is also pretty good. It's not as tight. So for a 51,000 mile car, it's really good.
So it's gonna be a really good deal, as per I mentioned. So grab it as quickly as you can and check the description box below. Check that out, how much we are put it on and everything. So that's all for today. See you on next video. Thank you.